Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about post-fertilization events. These are the events which occur after the fertilization takes place. So the first event that occurs here is endosperm development. Endosperm development. Endosperm, it is a triploid tissue. Triploid means it is a 3-end tissue. It is a nutritious tissue which helps in the formation of embryo from zygote. This endosperm forms two types of seeds. The first type is where endosperm is completely consumed, and the second type is where endosperm is not completely consumed. In this case, where the endosperm is completely consumed, these types of seeds are known as X-albuminous seeds and the other type of seeds where endosperm is not completely consumed, it is known as albuminous seeds. The example of this is dicot seeds such as soybean, pea and groundnut, and here we have example of monocot seeds such as maize and coconut, and there is one dicot seed which is castor. Now endosperm, as we have just discussed, it is a 3-end tissue. That 3-end tissue is also known as primary endosperm nucleus, as we have discussed in double fertilization. This particular cell will undergo mitosis, free nuclear division, and forms many different nuclei in one single cell. Now after this, there is cytokinesis and they form many different cells. These particular cells are known as endosperm. Please note that the coconut water is also known as free endosperm nucleus and the white edible part of coconut, it is known as cellular endosperm. Now the next thing that happens in post-fertilization events, that is embryo development. As we have discussed in double fertilization, there are two cells formed. First cell is known as zygote, the other cell is known as the triple nucleus, the primary endosperm nucleus. So now we'll talk about the zygote, which is 2N. It undergoes mitosis and forms one larger cell and one small cell. This larger cell is known as suspensor cell and this cell is known as embryo cell. Now the suspensor cell, this will undergo mitosis twice. So it will form 4 cells here and there will be this embryo cell. These are the suspensor cells and this is the embryo cell. Now the embryo cell divides and it forms a structure like this. It will undergo multiple mitosis. After this, This embryo cell again divides by mitosis and forms another layer of embryo cell. This is the other layer. Now it will rearrange its cells and form a heart-shaped embryo. This is the heart-shaped embryo that it will form. Again, this depression will get deeper and it again forms the heart-shaped embryo. These two outgrowths are known as cotyledons. This is the suspensor cells, this is the embryo cell, and this entire structure is known as mature embryo. This is all about the post-fertilization events. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.